The innovative Panasonic EBL1 control unit sets a new standard in one-loop fire detection systems. Its compact size and contemporary design makes it suitable for a variety of environments. EBL1 has an optimized build-up with three main parts: metal chassis with hot galvanized and painted sheet metal, the electronics module with only 4 screws for easy installation and maintenance, nice and lightweight front cover with an optional lock for fire brigade panel functionality. Experience the next level with its color touch display and the unique user interface. Easy to navigate with 6 main applications and path function. Clear visual menus and sub-menus with symbols and text. With the integrated status LEDs, you instantly get an overview of the fire alarm system. In an alarm situation, the fire brigade gets detailed information and can also reset and silence alarm devices. 2 fast and easy commissioning options: Auto Setup Wizard or EBL Win software. EBL1 eliminates the need of a computer for commissioning. The Wizard guides you through the process, allowing you to set up users and passwords, assign zones and addresses, and add alarm texts. EBL1 can of course also be commissioned with EBL Win. Simply connect to the system and let EBL Win guide you through the complete process. Completely new but still familiar, EBL1 is fully compatible with all state-of-the-art Panasonic Loop units.